Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: power capacity, panel specs, and mounting options. First, mount the frame and position the panels so seams align. This minimizes calibration later. Once panels are physically secured, connect power daisy chain points but do not energize the circuit yet. Next, route signal cables from your processor to the first module, making sure cable runs avoid tight bends. Make sure to label each cable and panel location. Accurate labeling speeds calibration and troubleshooting when you power up. Once physical connections are complete, power the video processor only and configure its output to match the LED matrix resolution. You will assign addresses to each panel, either manually or with the controller's auto-addressing, so the processor maps pixels correctly. Then apply test patterns to inspect seams, color uniformity, and brightness. Adjust PWM frequency and color temperature to avoid flicker and banding. Make sure to lock down firmware versions on all devices so behavior remains predictable when you're ready for the final power-up. Energize the array while watching current and voltage readings. Stop immediately if values exceed specs. Once live, run calibrated video clips and use a colorimeter or software calibration to match brightness and color across every panel, saving the profile to the controller. Finally, stress test for several hours to confirm thermal stability and that no modules drop frames. If something fails, first check power rails and cable continuity. Intermittent power or loose signal connectors are the most common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.